Imagine learning a new language without spending hours memorizing vocabulary or sitting in boring classes. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'll show you how to learn a language almost without even trying. Let's go. The first secret is to stop thinking of language as a subject and start thinking of it as a skill. You don't learn to ride a bike by studying bikes. You learn by riding. It's the same with languages. You don't have to study for hours. You just need constant small exposure. Make the language part of your everyday life. Change your phone, your Netflix subtitles, even your playlists. Watch YouTubers, listen to podcasts, read memes. You'll be learning passively while enjoying the things you already love. You don't have to be perfect to start speaking. You just have to start. Talk to yourself, your pet, your mirror. Use apps, voice messages, or chatbots. Every small attempt trains your brain to think in the language naturally. Remember, fluency starts with mistakes. Here's the fun part. You can learn while doing what you already do, watching shows, gaming, listening to music. Turn your hobbies into mini language lessons. When your brain enjoys something, it learns faster, without effort. Learning a language is about consistency, not intensity. 10 minutes every day beats 3 hours once a week. Keep it simple, fun, and consistent. Your brain will do the rest even when you're not trying. You don't need talent, time, or textbooks to learn a language. Just curiosity. Expose yourself to the language you love, a little every day, and one day you'll realize you're already fluent. No stress, no pressure. Just progress. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more learning hacks, and tell me in the comments, which language are you learning right now? See you next time.